Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And if you want to play Rainbow Six Siege on PC with controller, then here's a step-by-step guide. So this guide will help you to play Rainbow Six Siege PC with a controller, whether you are using an Xbox or PlayStation controller. Now, how to play Rainbow Six Siege on PC with a controller? So the supported controllers are like Xbox One, Xbox Series X, as controllers are the PlayStation 4, the DualShock 4, PlayStation 5, the DualSense. Now, third-party controllers that emulate Xbox input like X input. Then here is the step 1, how you can connect your PC. So connect your controller to PC. For Xbox controller, there are two type controller. One is wired and another one is wireless. So for wired, plug in via USB cable, and the wireless is use Bluetooth or Xbox wireless adapter. Make sure that your PC or motherboard support Bluetooth band, higher Bluetooth band, so you can actually avoid any type of issue. For PlayStation controller, there are also two type controller like wired or wireless. So for wired, same, plug in via USB cable, and wireless is hold PS plus share until light flashes on your controller. Then go to Windows settings, then go to Bluetooth and pair with wireless controller. Now step 2 is launch Rainbow Six Siege. Open my Ubisoft Connect or Steam if bought via Steam. Then start Rainbow Six Siege. Now step 3 is enable controller support in Steam, optional for Steam user. If using Steam version, then in Steam go to library, then right click Rainbow Six Siege, then go to the properties. You can find the properties button. Now click controller tab, then set enable Steam input to enabled or use default settings. Then go to Steam, then go to settings. After that you have to go to controller, then general controller settings, then enable your controller type like Xbox, PS4, ADC, whichever you are currently using. The step 4 is use controller in game. Use the controller is connected and detected. In the main menu, move your controller joystick. The game UI will automatically switch to controller layout. If it doesn't switch, unplug and replug the controller, restart the game, check for firmware updates on your controller. Now step 5 is adjust controller settings. It is optional, but it's not working, then you should do the adjustment. Now go to option, then go to controls in Rainbow Six Siege, then adjust to controller sensitivity, aim assist if enabled in casual modes, button layout or invert Y-axis. Now here is the troubleshooting tips, the issues and the fix. So if game not detecting controller, then the fix is restart game with controller connected. The lag or input delay, use wired connection. Buttons not responding, use Xbox style controller or enable Steam input. UI not switching, then move left stick or restart game. Now here is a pro tip for you. Rainbow Six Siege has different sensitivity settings for ADS, the in down sides. You can fine tune each zoom level in the settings for better control. Now here is the summary. Let me explain the action in a summarized way. Like first, connect your controller through USB or Bluetooth, then launch Rainbow Six Siege, then Steam. If you are on Steam, then enable Steam input if needed. Use joystick to activate controller mode, adjust in-game sensitivity and layout, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful, and if there's any type of question left here, then let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.